Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet a star with blue color yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. Let's get into the video guys. So guys, to start with we have to make the magic circle first. So continue to make the magic circle, chain 1, and guys, this one is the magic ring or the magic circle. And now what we have to do is just insert the hook inside the magic circle, grab the yarn and make one single crochet, and the second single crochet, the third single crochet, the fourth single crochet, and the fifth single crochet. So guys, now we have 5 single crochets inside the magic circle. We have 5 single crochets, and now please continue to make 15 single crochets throughout the circle. I'll meet you at the end, guys. So guys, I have just completed 15 single crochets inside the magic circle. Just pull the end yarn so that you get this magic circle smaller. And now to end the round, just go on top of the first single crochet. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch So guys, this one is the round 1. And now what we have to do is chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So guys, we have 6 chains in total. And now from the second chain from the hook, just insert the yarn and make a slip stitch. Make one slip stitch. And now into the next chain over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. And now into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook inside the chain, grab the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn through all the 3 loops and make one half double crochet. And now yarn over, insert the hook inside the chain, grab the yarn and make one double crochet. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. So we have got one side of our leaf. Now skip 3 chains and into the 4th chain over there. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch. So guys, now again chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So guys, we have 6 chains over here. And now repeat the same process. Go to the second chain from the hook, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch. And now again into the next chain, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. And again yarn over, insert the hook inside the next chain, grab the yarn and make one half double crochet. And now again yarn over, inside the next chain, inside the next chain, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one double crochet. Make one double crochet. So guys, we have got the second side of our star. Now skip 3 chains and into the fourth chain again skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3, and into the fourth chain over there just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch. Make one slip stitch, and now again we have to make 6 chains. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we have 6 chains over here, and now into the second chain from the hook make one slip stitch. Make one slip stitch, and into the next chain insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. Make one single crochet, and into the next chain insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one half double crochet. Make one half double crochet, and into the next chain make one double crochet. Make one double crochet, one double crochet. So guys, we have got the third side of our star. Now again skip 3 chains. Now again skip 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, in and into the fourth chain just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch. Make one slip stitch, and now chain 6 again. So 1 2 2 3 4 5 and 6. So continue the same process guys. So into the second chain from the hook make one slip stitch. Make one slip stitch, and into the next chain make one single crochet. Make one single crochet, and into the next chain make one half double crochet. Into the next chain make one half double crochet. Half double crochet, and into the next chain make one double crochet. Make one double crochet. So just insert the hook inside the chain, pull the yarn and make one double crochet. Double crochet. So guys, here we got 4 side of our stars, star, and into the next fourth chain just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch, and again chain 6, sorry guys, chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So now again into the second chain from the hook insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch. Make one slip stitch, and into the next chain insert the hook inside the chain, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. Make one single crochet, and into the next chain make one half double crochet. Make one half double crochet, and into the next chain yarn over and make one double crochet. Insert the hook inside the chain, just insert the hook inside the chain, and make one double crochet, and make one double crochet. So guys, now we have got 5 sides of our star. So now Sorry guys, I'm sorry guys. So now skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and into the fourth chain over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one slip stitch in order to complete the star. In order to complete the star, just fasten off the yarn with a pair of scissors. Just fasten off that yarn with a pair of scissors, and just pull the yarn like that, so that you get the magic circle smaller. So guys, this one is the star, and this is how it looks. You can make this for decoration purpose and so on. Thank you for watching my video guys. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment box. I hope you like the tutorial. This is how it comes. This is a star with 5 leaves or whatever it is. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Happy crocheting.